Hello there. I'm just like practicing different moves that I can do with the swing flags, which is good to do because when you're like listening to worship music, you want to be able to flow with the movements, you know? Makes it funner and nice and flowy, and like then you dance freely, and it's like. But if you have swing flags and you're like, how do I get these to go together? I'm like, this is not working. You know, if you're new at it, like when I first got mine, I was like that. I did not know how to do it. I did not know how to do it. But I kept I would work with one. Then I picked up the other one. Like I practiced a lot with one alone. You should do that. And then I'm starting to practice with the other one more. And tonight I learned a move, which is this one right here. And I wanna show it to you. So in case you have some swing flags and you don't know how to do them, this will help you. Yeah, this is a simple move to do with both of your swing flags. What you do is you do a figure 8. You know, imagine there's number 8 in front of you and you're tracing it with a flag. Kind of looks like an X, but only it's a figure 8 sideways. And then you do the same thing with the other side. Figure 8. Practice that in both hands for a little bit. And then try to do a big figure 8 with both of them. Swinging from side to side. At first they may not quite swing together. But as you keep practicing, you'll begin to be able to do this right here. Oops. Don't give up. If you have swing flags, they're a little different than the one with the pole. It can be a little bit more difficult to use, but don't give up. Keep working with them and keep practicing, and you'll get it. You'll be flowing. I'm still not. Actually, this is my first move where I can actually really, I feel like, move both of them at the same time confidently. Kind of synchronizing them somewhat. Yeah, I'll get better the more I practice. The more you practice, the more easily it will become, and then it will become fun and more flowy, and you'll be more confident, and you'll flow in your worship with God a little bit better when you know how to do some moves with them. Hope you're inspired. Hope this helped you, because I know there's not a lot of tutorials on swing flags out there. And God bless you. Bye.